is India Rose with the Pearl Girls. Just wanted to create a quick video for you so you don't have to kind of go through what Becky went through. Becky is from California, and she ordered a reknot and repair kit from us and mailed us her pearls. We just got them today. On her information, she said, I do not want to pay to reknot my entire necklace. I just want you to add a clasp to it. We completely understand. Sometimes y'all will mail us things and you don't want to make the investment to reknot the entire strand of pearls, but you may, like Becky, have lost your clasp, or somewhere along the way something has happened to your pearls. These are not pearls Becky bought from us, but as you well know, we will repair pearls and beaded jewelry that you buy anywhere. So this is what we have to work with, and I'll do a little close-up of this. We maybe have about 7, 8, 9 millimeters of thread on this side of the pearl. On the other side of the necklace, we have 0 thread. We cannot attach a clasp to this tiny bit of thread. So in Becky's case, the only thing we could do is reknot the entire strand. She does not want to make that investment. I completely understand. At $3 an inch, it does add up. I think our total with supplies and labor and everything came up to be about $129. I understand she doesn't want to make that investment, but I also want you guys to know that this is not something we can do. Even if, so her strand is long and doesn't necessarily need a clasp. It could go over her head or go over most ladies' heads. However, even with this small of thread, we can't even tie it off. And if we did just tie it off, let's say, it would be really below our standards. So we would never do it even if we could, because we'd never be able to guarantee the work the way we do. You know, we guarantee our labor and that it will hold up. And with such a tiny bit of thread, we would never be able to guarantee it. So just want y'all to know, if there is only a tiny bit of thread to work with, we cannot attach a clasp. We cannot reattach the necklace unless you make the investment to reknot the entire strand. Again, this is India Rose with the Pearl Girls, and thank you so much to all of you all over the world who mail us your pearls and beaded jewelry for repair. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.